Hi, my name is Andrew Spurvey and I'm with Quick Contractors. We're one of the national service providers for installation services for the Home Depot of Canada, coast to coast. And I'm really excited today because I'm at the 7011 Etobicoke store in Toronto, and we've got this real nice brand new smart home display here, really great merchandising. We're going to show you a little bit of this later, but the biggest news is on December 1st, we're actually launching installation services for all the Wi-Fi and smart home connected products that are on the shelf. And what's really exciting about that is the electrical department hasn't had an installs program in a really long time. For one connected device, we're looking at $119. So this is an I program. So basically, customer can grab one item on the shelf anywhere that's Wi-Fi connected. They bring it home, and then you just set up the install yourself, and then we're going to go see the customer and install it. Up to 3 devices for $249, and up to 5 devices for $329. And that, my friends, is a real simple 135 cookie cutter installs program. So it's nice and easy. Customer can just browse the shelves, pick up 1 or 2 or up to 5 connected devices. And what's really cool is, they get a better deal as they go for more devices on the install part. And this is going to really drive sales in your stores. The reason why we're doing this is because this is in popular demand. The stores have been demanding an installs program for the the smart home devices for a real long time now, and that's because the customers have been asking over and over. And if you're in electrical, you know this. The customer's looking at the Nest here, for example, or the Wink Hub, and they're gonna, they've been asking us, does Home Depot install this stuff? And up until now, the answer's been no, and really excited to tell you that starting December 1st, the answer is yes. Other exciting news is we're actually going to also install the TV mounts as well that we sell in the store. So up to 40-inch TV mount, we'll go to the house and install that for $179. And if it's over 40 inches, we'll install that for $239. And what's really exciting and very competitive on the market is closed circuit television systems for your security cameras. So the real nice high-end systems that sell in the store or on homedepot.ca as well. So for a 4-camera system installation, that's the full setup, you're looking at $699. And if you're going to go for the 8-camera system install, the labor component and setup for that is $1,199. And we did all our comp shopping, and I'm really proud to tell you that customer can go shop around, and this is going to be the most competitive price on the whole market.
Well, I think it's a great program. It's a fairly new installation program that we're launching with Home Depot, and having the technology here that everybody's asking for is awesome, that we now have somebody who can actually install it for them, as opposed to taking it home and trying to find it on the internet and then not getting it to work. So having somebody professional in your store, or in your house I should say, is awesome.
Yeah, awesome. Yeah. You think it's going to sell some product or what?
I think it's going to sell a lot of product with the up-and-comers that are just introducing themselves into this line. I think it's a great program. It should take off fairly quickly.
To be honest with you, when I looked at the program, it's pretty exciting. We got the customers here always asking for the product information, including installation. We've gone many number of years without having any kind of installation program for electrical, and now it kind of seals all the gaps, because it kind of brings all the cross-section products in line, and we can sell everything in one spot and have the installation taken care of by the professionals. If I can go home with 5 items and have one installer install all of it, one shot, one day, it's a win.
I got other news for you too.
Yep.
National centralized scheduling has launched today for us. So what that means is when the associates are creating the order and they're going into Comp2 to link the labor article to the product, they're actually going to get to book the actual time and date with the customer for install right there and then. Yeah, wow. So the customer's not going to have to wait for the 48 hours traditionally. So that launches today.
Based on the demand that we get, it's a front and center display, and it gets a lot of attention, a lot of excitement, and now we're able to fulfill the promise of getting these products into homes.
Right.
So it's really going to drive sales up for electrical department and for the store as well. Eventually, I think every department's going to have smart devices that can work with this program as well.
Yeah, we're going to do our part by visiting the stores, driving the awareness. I'm coming to a store near you. What's really exciting now is electrical, as we covered before, hasn't had an install program in many, many years. And so now, you've got this whole aisle here, stuff like that's Wi-Fi connected, Bluetooth, Zigbee and Z-Wave that can all be installed in one of our programs now. So again, really exciting. The customers can finally be able to pick up the products on the shelf, bring them home, and Home Depot will now install them. So this is going to drive a lot of sales for your store. And just to kind of browse around and show you, we've got the Wink relay, which is a touchscreen control for the Wink hub. We've got the dimmer switches that you could put on the smart home package. We've got the connected light bulbs. You've got the Nest thermostat and all the other smart thermostat. Anything that is smart. We've got the touchless smart locks now for the doors. Real popular is the video doorbell. This is a really good one because someone comes to your door, you want to see who's there. We've got the dimmer switches here. We got the Hue bulbs from Philips. Really great stuff. Actually, this is a really good one. This is the shape belt. So it's like it's a strip that you can put. You don't need fixtures. You can check that out online. There's all kinds of colors here. And what's really neat is you can actually configure this to the mood of the music and just this wonderful stuff. So all of this product here, almost the whole aisle, is now part of the program. So that's really exciting. So we're gonna take a walk through some aisles and show you some individual products, all right? Okay, smoke and carbon monoxide detectors, so fire alarms, that sort of thing. We've got the Nest one, which is really incredible. It's a smoke and carbon monoxide alarm with it's got batteries, battery backup actually, and so this will notify you electronically if your smoke alarm's going. You could be at work and your carbon monoxide detector's going off or smoke alarm, so you'll know instantly. So that's really cool. All right, so this is Jeff in the electrical department. We're in the lighting aisle right now. So we've identified a smart security light. So it looks like it's HD Wi-Fi enabled. Looks like it'll connect to your, there's an app that goes with that. So
Yeah.
so what would this be good for?
So it's an outdoor exterior light that has motion. So when you pass by it, it sends you alert to your phone. So you know who's passing by, or if there's an animal or anything that's going by, it'll send you an alert.
Cool, nice. And there's a camera there.
Yep, there's a camera.
Right,
It also
okay.
does night vision, if I'm not mistaken.
Wow, this stuff is all so cool. All right, and we're gonna go check out some smart pot lights, right?
So there's this company.
Illume.
Yeah.
It's
they're-
exclusive Home Depot.
Yep, they're
Right.
competing with it. I believe you could change multi-colors, basically like the hue.
Right.
But this is the first that I've seen as a pot light.
Check out the light. It's a pot light that's changing colors. So
With this option, you could just go home, download the app, and you're ready to go.
beautiful, beautiful. I love it, man. Oh, so those are like the strips, right?
Yeah, they're LED
Yeah.
strips for under cabinet lighting.
Right.
It does come in 3 different sizes, 1 meter length, 3 meter length, and a 5 meter length.
So what do you think of this? On December 1st, you're going to be able to tell the customer, take it home with you, and we'll come set it up for you.
Yeah, the smart home. I've been waiting for that because a lot of the smart home stuff, it can seem difficult to install.
Right.
And that's one of our services that we don't offer.
Right.
And a lot of customers ask, like, oh,
December
I want
1st,
to get
buddy.
either a thermostat, but
Yeah.
I'm worried I don't know how to install it. Is it difficult?
Yeah. Oh, wow. So it's monitoring the sound level of the home. So if it's noisy, it'll crank up the fan. And then if it's really quiet, it'll be a low fan for less noise, less disruption in the home. Like, that is so cool.
Yeah.
Very well thought, right? All right, so here's a nice display of some smart products. So we got the LED dimmers, smart dimmers, motion sensors. So it's a real nice array of products that would, you can set up for an install. So for example, dimmer and remote. So let's just have a quick peek. Works with Wink, perfect. So this is just awesome. So you can control this right from your smartphone. Oh yeah, and there's some of the products, Ecobee switch. So that's, you have to actually bring this to the front and they would get it for you out in from the cage. But this is just fantastic. finally an install program for electrical. So this is the garage door opener display. So there's a lot of garage door openers that are actually smart and Wi-Fi. So, you know, what I'm looking for is, you know, garage door openers that'll have like the Wi-Fi compatible sign on it, so you know it's a smart garage door opener. And we will install this product for, if you bring that box home, $119 installed and set up. We're in the appliances department. Got a Samsung smart fridge here, and this is getting more and more popular. If you're going to sell an appliance with an install, and the customer wants the smart part of that appliance set up, you'd need to add the smart install article on top of the regular install. And just to back up a little bit, if they've already got the product, it's already been delivered and installed, and all they want to do is set it up, for $119, we will go to that customer's home and set up their smart appliance. Really good news for appliance department. Real popular stuff, so the smart thermostats, right? So we've got the Nest, Ecobee 4, Ecobee 3, we've got the Honeywell, Sensi. So any one of these products, for example, you know, if the customer just wanted the Nest, not a problem. That would count as one item, $119 install. So the nice thing about, again, this program is it encourages, you know, up to 3, you get a discount, up to 5, another discount. So it's encouraging the customer to buy more products. Another nice thing is once they start getting used to smart home, they're going to be adding more and more. So that customer is going to keep coming back to the store, making more and more purchases to add to their smart home. We're now going to cover the training document for the Smart Home Installation Services Program by Quick Contractors. If you don't have a copy of this training document, please see your DS or specialty ASM to get yourself a copy, because there's great information in this document if you need to ever refer to it to get more details and also to become more familiarized with smart home terminology. What is a smart home? A smart home is a home that has interconnected devices working together to perform tasks. So for example, using your phone or a passcode to unlock your front door could also turn on your lights in your home and also adjust your home's temperature. What are smart home products? Smart home products can be any device or appliance that connects and can be controlled through a mobile phone, computer, or other smart device. Smart home products may also connect to the internet and be controlled remotely. Most smart products will have an indication on the packaging that the product requires the use of an app, and you will see common types of smart home protocols like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, Z-Wave, and Zigbee. We're always going to recommend a hub to customers because that becomes the central nervous system to all the smart home devices. The Wink Hub will allow devices that use different technologies and protocols to communicate with each other. So for example, it's great to have one smart home device that connects to an app. But if you wanted multiple devices all connecting on one app and communicating with each other, you actually need a hub for this. That's why we'll always recommend it. Please note that customers may be required to provide our technicians with their Wi-Fi password, access to download applications onto their device, as well as have account information and credential to download those apps. But remember that personal customer information will never be shared or even kept on file. The first program to recap is the 135 Smart Home Bundle. We will install one connected device for $119, up to 3 devices for $249, and up to 5 devices for $329. Products that are covered by the 135 Smart Home Bundle: thermostats, smart light switches, smart door locks, contacts and sensors, smart light bulbs, smart garage door openers, water shutoff leak detectors, smoke alarms, carbon monoxide and fire alarms, video doorbells, hubs, and other controllers. The CCTV security cam install program is not covered under the 135 Smart Home Bundle. We will install up to 4 cameras in a system for $699, and we'll install up to 8 cameras in a system for $1,199. TV wall mount installations are not covered by the 135 Smart Home Bundle. We will install up to a 40-inch TV wall mount for $179.99, and we will install over 40-inch size TV wall mount for $239.99. Home Depot associate frequently asked questions. How do I sell smart home installations? First thing you need to do is you're going to need to build an order with the products that the customer wishes to have installed. Then you would go into Com2 and select the appropriate article number and attach it to your order. And thirdly, you'll need to stage that order to register, print it, and you can collect payment from your customer directly at your terminal, or you can also send the customer to the service desk or to a cash register for them to collect payment. Should you require any hands-on training on how to do this, please see your department supervisor, specialty ASM, or even one of your peers in other departments who are accustomed to attaching installs in Com2, such as appliances, kitchen and bath, and the service desk. Can we set up an installation for customers who buy products online at homedepot.ca? Yes, the answer is yes. You can process an install-only order since the customer already has the product. What is a smart home measure, and when should I use it? Measures should be used anytime we are unsure of the products that are best suited for the customer's home, or if the installation may exceed the inclusions of the basic package. When a measure is sold, the technician will recommend the best products for their home and the price for the installation. When to set up a lead? A lead is to set up a free in-home consultation for customers who wish to install more than 5 items, and for off-shelf solutions, which could include a custom electronic installation, smart wiring, a renovation project, whole home music system, custom surveillance systems, and more. Do we install smart ceiling fans? Yes. This would count as one item in the Smart Bundle. Please note that you must add on an electrical service upcharge, as this is required for an electrician to perform the work. Do we configure smart appliances? Yes. This would count as one item in the Smart Bundle. Please note that if we're selling and installing the appliance, that the standard install rates must still be charged in addition to the Smart Bundle. Do we offer centralized scheduling? The answer is yes. Centralized scheduling is an exciting new platform that allows you to book the install time and day with the customer right at the point of purchase. You will see the screen open up and you can offer time slots live on the system that the customer can choose right there and then. And if the customer isn't ready to book the actual install date, you can just continue with staging the order and the customer paying for it. You do not need to select the install date right there and then, and the customer will be contacted by the installer within 48 hours to book an appointment to come to install at their home. This is what the apron card looks like. Keep it with you for quick reference when dealing with customers. The $65 electrician add-on fee. This is one of the most important things for you to remember in order for your customer to have the best customer experience possible. When we are installing anything to do with wiring electricity, such as pot lights, ceiling fans, switches, bathroom fans, etc., you must remember to charge the customer the one-time add-on fee of $65 for an electrician to perform the work.